Hello and welcome to my Pentart Playbook series. I'm Shannon from Pick and Booze Vintage, and what I'm going to do is each month I'm going to show you a different set of Pentart products and describe how to use them. Pentart 3D glue paste and 3D glue pen. Both are the same outcome. One comes in a jar, and you can spread it with a palette knife. You can run it through a stencil, and then you can put your desired flakes, velvet powder, foils, whatever on top. With the fine tip pen, you can draw, write, or add very fine details to your project. Both of these go on white, yet they dry tacky or clear. You'll know it's dry because it's no longer white, but you can, when you touch it with your finger, it's sticky, it's tacky, and it's ready for whatever you're going to put on top, whether it's the paste and the pen are super easy to use. All you need to do is apply it to your project, whether you're running through a stencil or you're going to draw a word or accent some highlights. Let it dry, give it ample time to dry, and then when it comes to tack, you either rub your foils on, whatever you're going to use to decorate it, and then voila, you're finished and you have a beautiful 3D effect with the foils or whatever you chose to use. Some products you will put on top of the 3D glue paste will require sealing, like foils or leaves or flakes. However, the velvet powder does not require it.